Hey guys, before we start, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistakes people make that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses, relays for the VVT solenoid, also known as Variable Timing Solenoid, guys, on GMC Terrain, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2017. Stay with us, we'll explain about that, where you can expect to find them. Please do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be simple fix. We'll talk about testing, cleaning VVT solenoids as well. By the way, after that, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we will share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from. Check it out. Now, let's start on it. Before we guys start, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos showing you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, relays. And by the way guys, on that generation GMC Terrain, we're going to have more than 150 videos alone for fuses, relays, why things don't work, how to fix them. Check it out, why we make those things to save you money, guys. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find a fuse for a fuel pump. You just come to the channel, watch the video for a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road. And on our YouTube channels, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos, guys, that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. Guys, for the VVT solenoid, also known as Variable Timing Solenoid, before we check any fuses, the first things you want to check, okay, first is the connector, make sure it's plugged in. Second, if you have an oil leak, often we've seen where the connector is contaminated with oil, that can cause it not to work correctly. Number three, make sure, guys, okay, that if you washed your engine, the connector is dry as well. Number four, make sure you use the correct type of oil for your car and oil filter, because that can cause them to behave as well. And another thing, number four, guys, always try cleaning the VVT solenoids. If you don't know how to clean VVT solenoid, we'll have multiple videos on the channel. Now, let's explain where the fuses and relays are located. Start with that. It's quite simple, guys, what we need to do now. But quick advice, 9 out of 10 owners do not know about all the hidden fuse boxes in that GMC Terrain. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called GMC Terrain Fuse Box Location in the Diagram, video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Go ahead and open the hood, facing the engine. Here, guys, on the driver's side, you see right here on the right side, on the driver's side next to the brake fluid reservoir is the main engine fuse box. Guys, what you need to do, you have a clip here and a clip there, release them, go ahead, lift the cover up, and you're going to find underneath a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. And now, guys, here we need to check multiple fuses. Those are for fuel injection and engine management system. There is limited information exactly which fuse it is, and relay, but check all of them, most likely will be one of them. We're going to start with fuse number 21, fuse number 20 will need to be checked. Then we go to 37 and 38, 37, 38, right here. Next we need to locate fuse number 42, excuse me, 42 is right here. Then check fuse number 46. You need to check fuse number 52, which will be this fuse, 20 fuse right here. Then we need to go under the relay and we need to check that fuse number 53. And next you need to check relay 66 right here. All these fuses, relays will need to be checked if you have problems with that sensor. So guys, this generation GMC Terrain, it has all kinds of different kinds of fuses and relays, especially if you go in the engine compartment fuse box, you can see. Now, those could be sometimes hard to find. We'll recommend to always keep some spares in the glove box for peace of mind, because if you're in the middle of nowhere, guys, okay, and you need to find a replacement fuse for the fuel pump. You don't have one, you may be stuck there, so get some. We'll share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from. Check it out, and that's where we get most of our tools and supplies from. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.